Jarvis and you're watching Current Tech English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivating technical videos like this as we started. Today we will continue our Jarvis. So we were here and I was forgetting to show one thing. You will see something like this after installing the Magic Python extension. Select interpreter. You have to simply select your interpreter. Suppose I am in this interpreter, this one. So I will use this interpreter, and you have to also install one extension known as Code Runner. So Code Runner is extension so that you will see that, not this one, this Code Runner, so that you will see this logo at your VS Code top and you can run your Python file from here. Just like this you can execute, and in the output panel you will see the output. So guys, you have to install one package. So go to your terminal, then pip install pyttsx3. This is package for speaking, so we have to allow. So when it is installing, I will tell you. So it has already installed in my system, but it will not be installed, so it will take a bit of time, 2 or 3 minutes. You can wait for that, then this will be installed. So guys, after this one you can use it simply like this: import pyttsx3. okay, then after that you have to write def speak. This is for defining a function. Here it will pass the text, so we will write here print, then Jarvis colon this. Here we will write dot format the text. This means Jarvis plus text. Then we will simply write pyttsx3 dot speak that text. So let's see it. We will write here if underscore name is double equal to underscore main is underscore colon speak I am Jarvis and AI assistant. So let me increase the volume so you can hear it also. And is it hearable? Let me see that.
I am Jarvis, an AI assistant.
So guys, see, it is running. I hope you will able to memorize this sound. You will be able to hear the sound in the video. If not, then sorry, it was not able to hear. So this is working. Then after that you will have some import speech recognition. I will tell you them later. So guys, so that's it guys. This is the video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you guys. Thanks for your video.